Yeah.
So,
well, what about if there are, let's say, 1,000 trials in backlog? Well, where are those 1,000 accused criminals? Are they being held in jail for longer than they really should be because of the backlog? Or maybe some are out on bail, right?
yeah, well, some are out on bail. Most are being probably held. Well, I don't know the straight answer to that. I'm guessing a big bulk of them are in jail because they're not, low-level crimes. I say that most of the low-level ones have been released on zero bail. We can talk about that and how that has come to pass, or been released with various restrictions, and they're out in the community pending their cases. The ones that we're most worried about are those who are sitting in custody, and these are significant and serious crimes. That's why they're in custody. And those of that 900 number, I don't know, but I'm guessing quite a large amount of those are very serious cases. And those people are sitting in jail. Now, depending on which side you may go, my God, that's a travesty because these people are not convicted of anything.
Right.
And others would say, well, they're all criminals. I'm like, well, no, they're not until we prove that.
Right.
And, if the criminal justice system stands for anything, it is that everyone has an entitlement to be heard by a jury of their peers and to present their case and to hear the evidence against them and then get it played out. That's what a trial is. The delay in all of that is, by any definition, delaying individuals' rights. There's just no way around it.
Because we all have a right to a speedy trial, as they say, right?
Absolutely. And the only reason that isn't happening is we have these emergency orders handed down by the California Supreme Court that apply to all the trial courts throughout the state, and which were necessary for the pandemic. That's the only way we could continue to push these cases off. But those are about to end, those emergency orders. Some would think, why didn't they end already? That's up for the Chief Justice and the governor and others to figure out, to answer. But the short answer to all of that is they're about to end. And if we can't try 900 cases, as we said, we're basically set up to try to do 100.